Hi, in this lecture, I am going to discuss about run containers. So as of now, we understood how to pull an image from the registry to our local system. Now we have the image available at our system. The next is we are going to learn how to run the containers. Now that you have the required container images, you can use them to run containers. Now that you have the required container images, which is available on your local system, you can use them to run the containers. A container can be in one of the following states. Here we have created, a container that is created but it is not started yet. Running, a container that is running with its processes. Stopped, a container with its processes stopped. Paused, a container with its processes paused. Not supported for rootless containers. Deleted, a container with its processes in a dead state. So these are the different states of a container. So let me log into my system. And here we have the command, that is podman space ps. So this command lists the running containers on the system. So as of now we have only the images available on the system. We have not started any container. That's why when I fire this command, I didn't get any output. It means no container is running on my system. You can also use this command podman space ps-a. So this command basically used to view the containers that is created, stopped, paused or running in the machine. Suppose you have created a container which is in running state. After some time you have stopped that container or you have paused that container. So what will happen? That container, if you want to see which is in paused or created or stopped, then you have to use ps-a option. And how to create a container? For that simply you have to use podman create command. So this command is used to create the container to run later. And also you have to provide the options as well. So friend, that's all for this lecture. In the next lecture I am going to show you how to create a container.